Do you like fries? Do you like fun fries? Hashtag fun fries. I'm making Cuban fries. Let's get started. I need to start by cooking some fries in the oven according to directions. Now I gotta make a cheese sauce. A few tablespoons of butter. A few tablespoons of flour. 2 cups of milk. Now I'm gonna whisk in some Swiss cheese. Fries. Add some diced deli ham. Chop up some pickles and put those on top. Drizzle on that cheese sauce. And squirt on some mustard. Cuban French fries. Now that's a fun fry. Hashtag fun fries. Very tasty. Thanks, Anadi, for hosting this hashtag fun fry collaboration. I used to work at a French fry stand. I was way overqualified.